Hello, my name's Simon Wardley. I've been asked a question about what's the future. Well, many of the things we're dealing with today have roots in the past. So, for example, large language models, AI, conversational programming. An example of that dates all the way back to Jonna Freeman, Nicholas Negroponte, Architecture by Yourself, the idea that the process of design is a conversation between two or more actors, and one of the actors would be a machine. So, first example of that in practice probably was 2018. Alexander Simovich at AWS reInvent using AI to build a system. Today we call it vibe coding. So what we have is a lot of stuff that's going on today, which actually has roots in the past. So what's the really exciting, interesting stuff going forward? That's a tough one. There's two areas that I am particularly interested in. One is software engineering itself. So what we call software engineering consists of two parts. One is development and the other is testing. Now, testing is an engineering subject. Development is a craft. So often when we're comparing software engineering, what we're actually comparing is a craft, and then we're comparing it against AI. And we say, oh, look, AI is as good as writing code as humans are. Well, that may be true, but we shouldn't be crafting systems, we should be engineering them. So we've got a fundamental problem, which is that software engineering, the development side, isn't an engineering topic, it's a craft, and that needs to change. So that's an interesting one for me. The other one is the combination of physical and digital. So this goes back to some work I did back in 2004, 2005, where, when we're talking about the function of something, that function can be substantiated in both physical and digital forms. And so then it leads us into a world of, actually, we have new languages. I actually called it spime script some time ago, which compile down to those things. And this is the world of what we call now, we love creating new words, cyber physical. So that's an area of interest which is heading towards us. So I'm going to be mostly at the conference talking about maps, understanding the landscape in terms of the economic, technological changes, a lot of stuff about AI, a bit of stuff about sovereignty. Those are all sort of topics of today. Conversational programming or vibe coding, that's going to come up, and architecture as well. Topics of today, but topics of tomorrow, probably software engineering. The development isn't an engineering topic, that needs to change, and cyber physical. I think that's the next big area of interest.